Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered that analog pins can also be used as digital pins on the Arduino Uno? And if we can do this, then what is the difference between both kinds of pins? And the reason is not simply just that analog pins are used for continuous signals and digital pins are used for high and low values. But the reason is something different. In this video, I am going to demonstrate that difference with the help of LED blinking project. Right? So let's start this video. First of all, as you can see here, I have defined 6 LEDs, 2 red LEDs, 2 green and 2 blue. And these pins are the digital pins, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And in the setup function, I have defined the mode of these LEDs. So all the LEDs are the output, right? And in the loop function, I am writing the high and low values to these LEDs with some delay in between. Okay. So in step 1, I am writing the high and low values to the red LEDs. Then in step 2, I am writing high and low values to green LEDs, then blue LEDs, and after step 3, I am going in the reverse direction. That is in step 4, again I am using green LEDs, and lastly I am using red LEDs. Okay, so this is the complete code for the LED blinking using the digital pins. And in this part of the code, I am using analog pins for the same LED blinking. So let me comment down the upper code. Now let us have a look at this code. So everything is same except that here I have defined the LEDs using the analog pins, right? As you can see here, A5, A4, A3, A2, A1, A0, right? And the setup and the loop function are exactly the same. You can have a look at the loop function also, right? Everything is same. And please note that I am using digital light function on the analog pins. Now let us discuss what is the difference between the analog pins and the digital pins. So Arduino Uno has built-in ADC, that means analog to digital converter, which converts the analog signal into the digital signal. So that is why we are able to take out the digital output or the digital signal from the analog pins with the help of this ADC. But the digital pins don't have built-in DAC. DAC means digital to analog converter, which is just the opposite of ADC. So in summary, you can consider that analog pins are used to deal with both kinds of signal, analog as well as the digital, right? But the digital pins can only be used for digital signals only. They don't have built-in capacity or the ability to deal with the analog signal because of the absence of DAC, right? Now let us move on to the demonstration of LED blinking project.
So this is a demonstration of the LED blinking by using the digital pins. As you can see here, I have connected the LEDs here using the digital pins, right? Now in the next demonstration, I am going to show you the LED blinking using the analog pins. So this is the demonstration of LED blinking using the analog pins, right? As you can see here, I have connected the LEDs in the analog pins. So the results are exactly the same as we were getting in the case of digital pins, right? So now you can comment down below whether you were already familiar with the difference between the analog pins and the digital pins, right? So let's end this video here and we will meet in the another video. Till then, thank you.